you wanted to know about this beautiful color, but this instrument comes from our neighbor.
It's the national instrument of Sweden, but it's played in Switzerland also, and in Germany, Finland, Italy, and Spain. So all over Europe. And this is chromatic nyckelharpa. And this model is like a Swedish. There was this man called Erik Sahlström who developed in this shape of the instrument. But this instrument in 70s, in 1970s.
Good century, good
year.
Mikä on 10-vuosi? Decade, good decade, yes.
But there is many in nyckelharpas, different kind of smaller and instrument that don't have so many strings. There is, for example, contrabassharpa, which is just smaller, not low or not. There is nothing. It's not it's not a bass. It's just a name. And in Finland we have a esseharppa, which is ähtävä which is also a little bit smaller than this one. So there is many, but if you Google nyckelharpa, you will find the whole world about this instrument. And the sound, it comes because of these resonating strings between. So I'm not playing now these. So I play these, and it gives this echo. But of course you can play these also like that.
She's actually she made her doctorate for Sibelius Academy with the fiddle, with 5-string fiddle.
Yeah.
Do you want to know? Tell why?
The doctor.
Miksi se viulukka? Okay. Yeah, so she's a multi.
Yeah, so I play the 5-string fiddle and many nyckelharpas.
Yeah. Hey, we have after dessert we have 2 more songs for you. The other one is dedicated to Bear. So yeah, if you bear with us. Like designs, but we have too many toes. And hey, what are you doing now? Hey, please do it again. This was lovely. And then it's about dancing and, of course, love as well. Okay, thank you. We haven't been here for a long time, maybe 3rd, 4th trip to Switzerland for us. And you have been a really wonderful audience. Beautiful. Thank you. Yes. If you want to buy the CDs, we have 5. Yes. They cost 20 Swiss something. No niin, mennään.
Somebody